Cash App, speedy superhero or slowpoke snail for checks? Ever get that sinking feeling when you absolutely need money, but all you have is a physical check? Been there, done that. In today's digital world, who even carries checks anymore, right? But hey, sometimes old school methods are the only option. So, if you find yourself stuck with a check and Cash App is your saving grace, a crucial question pops up. How long will it take for that check to clear and become spendable cash? Is Cash App a speedy superhero, rushing your funds to your rescue, or more of a slowpoke snail, leaving you waiting in frustration? Let's dive deep into the world of Cash App check deposits and find out exactly what to expect. Cash App versus traditional banks, the speed showdown. First things first, how does Cash App compare to traditional banks when it comes to check deposits? Traditional banks can take anywhere from 1 to 5 business days, sometimes even longer depending on the bank and the type of check. Frustrating, right? Here's where Cash App boasts a bit of an edge. They advertise check deposits being available in 1 to 3 business days. That potentially cuts a day or two out of your waiting time, which can be a lifesaver in a pinch. But wait, there's more to the story. Hold on a second, because things aren't always as straightforward as they seem. While Cash App does claim 1 to 3 business days, a few factors can influence that time frame. Factor 1, the magic of weekends and holidays. Just like any other financial institution, Cash App doesn't operate on weekends or holidays. So, if you deposit your check on a Friday afternoon, don't expect the money to magically appear in your account over the weekend. The clock typically starts ticking on the next business day. Factor 2, first-time jitters. Cash App might take a little longer to process your very first check deposit. They need to verify everything and make sure it's legit. Think of it as them getting to know you and your financial habits. After that initial deposit, subsequent checks should hopefully follow the standard 1 to 3 business day time frame. Factor 3, the not-so-fine print. Cash App has its limitations. There's a maximum deposit amount of $5,000 per check and $10,000 within a 7-day period. If your check exceeds these limits, you'll be out of luck and might need to explore alternative ways to deposit it. Cash App check deposit, a step-by-step guide. Alright, so you're ready to ditch the check and embrace the digital world of Cash App. Here's a quick rundown on how to deposit a check using the app. Open the Cash App and tap the Banking tab. Select Deposit and then Check. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions to capture clear photos of both the front and back of your check. Confirm the amount and hit Submit. Cash App will then process your deposit, and you'll receive a notification once the funds are available. Easy enough, right? The final verdict, speedy or slow? Cash App generally lands somewhere between a speedy superhero and a slowpoke snail when it comes to check deposits. Compared to traditional banks, it has the potential to be faster, especially if you factor in weekends and holidays. However, those 1 to 3 business days aren't guaranteed, and you might encounter some delays depending on the factors mentioned earlier. Cash App is a convenient option for depositing checks, especially if you need your money a bit quicker than a traditional bank can offer. Just be prepared to wait a few business days and keep those deposit limits in mind. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.